This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the passenger doors on your Tesla. So if I try to open this up right now, you can see this is locked. It says tap the key card to unlock the driver door. Okay, so we have to go around to the driver door. We can just get close with our phone, or we can swipe the key card near the camera right here, and this will unlock the door. So let's do this now. I have my phone with me, and it's unlocked. You can see the light was flashing, but this back door, the passenger doors, are still not unlocked. You can see right there. There's two different ways you can unlock those doors. Come to the screen. You can see it's unlocked, which is kind of goofy. I don't know if there's a setting for this, but we can just lock it and unlock it. And then we can go back to this door here and it'll open it up. Just like that. Perfect. Or another way that we can do this is if we use the handle. So I'm gonna lock it, then go to the handle right here. And you can see right here, if you just hold this down for like 2 or 3 seconds, the lights will flash. So let's do now. So I'm holding down, the lights are flashing, okay. And you can see on the screen that it's unlocked. You can go to the passenger doors now, and they will unlock. So a lot of times when you're getting in the vehicle, you just want to hold this down right away. So let me lock this again. When you get in, just hold that down. So let's get in. You got someone waiting for you over there. Just hold this down. They can now get in. So it's a little bit quicker than maybe tapping the screen, but it's just an extra safety feature. So just mess around with it. You can either just hold this down when you're getting in and you're closing the door, or you can just tap it here and you have to lock it and then unlock it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.